AI note takers are incredibly useful, but sometimes they can be a bit awkward because normally you still have to pull out your phone, open an app, hit record, and then suddenly you've missed something or the whole conversation changes because there's a screen involved. But today we're taking a look at something that finally solves that problem. Now this is the Vocci ring, and it's essentially an AI note taker but built into a titanium smart ring. So instead of reaching for your phone or typing notes while someone is talking, you just double click the ring and it starts recording instantly. Now that means there's no phone, no screen, no distraction, and something that's always there and ready. So you can just have a normal conversation while the AI handles everything in the background, and honestly, that's what makes this feel completely different from a normal recorder app, because the whole point isn't just recording the audio, it's staying present in the conversation while still capturing everything important. Now physically, the ring itself is surprisingly minimal and lightweight. It's made from aerospace-grade titanium. It weighs just 3 to 5 grams depending on the size, and because it's hypoallergenic and water-resistant, it's something you can comfortably wear all day long without really thinking about it. Now, unlike health-focused smart rings, this isn't trying to track sleep or heart rate. The entire purpose of the Vocci ring is productivity and AI note-taking. So let's say I'm in a meeting, brainstorming ideas, filming content, or even just having a conversation where I know important information is going to come up. All I have to do is double click the ring and it instantly starts recording. Then if someone says something important like a deadline, a key idea, or an action point, I can simply click the ring again to highlight that exact moment while the recording is active. And this makes it much easier to come back later, as Vocci automatically analyzes the highlights and extract for deep dive, context, and key takeaways. And of course, this saves you time on having to not re-listen to the whole audio. Now, one thing the brand specifically wanted to highlight, and something I also think is important, is that you don't need to hold the ring up or speak directly towards it. It's designed so you can just speak naturally in conversation, which makes the whole thing feel a lot less awkward. You simply just press to start recording, then you don't worry about where the ring is, you don't worry about where people are or anything like that. It's able to pick up the whole room without issues. Now, the hardware is pretty impressive for something this small, and it has a voice pickup range of up to 5 meters, it supports over 100 languages, and it can identify more than 15 different speakers in a conversation, which means it's great for larger business meetings, so we'll just put it to the test now. Right, so I've been using this to test on quite a lot of meetings. Now, of course, a lot of my meetings are confidential, so I can't use those, but I have done some example meetings where I've actually ran through a couple of pretend meetings to show you guys how this all works. So that was one I just did then during my filming, but here's a meeting I did. So if I go ahead and press it, you can see nothing's been done as I haven't done the transcription. I can play the meeting. Just skip forward to where it started.
Well now, or is there anything still likely to change before release?
The hardware is final. Everything you'll receive.
So you can see I've got something there. So first of all, if I press transcribe on the application, you see that's turning, it's now transcribing it. So it's simply going to give me a word-for-word list of everything that was said. And here you see we've now got it. So it labels the speakers as well. There was only 2 people in this meeting, so we've got speaker 1 and speaker 2. And the great thing is, if there's anything that you want to see,
I actually think demonstrating those features will probably be much more effective.
You can just press them and it presses that bit of the audio as well. So we'll stop that. So of course that's the summary, but that's not the great bit. So if we go to highlights, you can see this is where I've single pressed, and these are the important bits.
We're hoping. We'd really like you to spend at least a week with it before recording.
So those are the important bits that I highlighted with the single press. So you can see we've got that there, and it's even titled it for me automatically. But of course, where this really shines is all of the AI stuff. So if we head back, I'm going to go into Vocci AI, and you can see here. Now here you can either type the question or you can just speak it. Because I got the ring here, I can press and hold and speak it. So if I just press and hold it, can you give me a summary about my recent meeting on the Nova X1 tablet? Let go of it and you can see it's now sending it to the Vocci AI. It's going through all the memory search. So as I said, it's searching all of the meetings here, not just the single one. It's actually searching every meeting. And you can see it's now giving me a good summary, and it's even giving me a to-do list at the bottom. So if we just scroll back up, summary starts here and it goes through everything about the Nova X1. This is a fictional tablet I've made up a meeting for, but you can see we've got a summary and a to-do list. So maybe what I want to do next, again, I'm going to press and hold it. And I'll say, Vocci, can you generate me a document with a prioritized task list and deadline, please? Let go of the button, it sends it to the Vocci AI.
You can see it's now going through, and it's great that it actually tells you step by step what it's doing. So it says implementing task list. And then it says, I've generated and saved your prioritized task list. So the file name is NovaX1 review task list. And I'll just show this on the screen now. So another great thing is that was just one meeting, but after that we had another meeting. So I'm just going to go and transcribe that one. Now that's transcribed. If I head back to Vocci AI, go. In the second meeting about the tablet, were there any changes? Now it goes through the meetings and it's going to read through all of my meetings. As I said, it's not just restricted to one. It does have contextual understanding. So if you have multiple meetings about the same topic, then you can still use AI to go through all of it. So again, Vocci's doing its thing. And here you can see I've got a lot of information. So if we scroll back up to the top, yes, there was a second alignment meeting with Sarah, introduced several key changes to your review plan. So without having to go back through everything, it tells me what the changes were in the second meeting compared to the first, which is great, and I can see this being a huge time saver. Now finally, to save some time, if I press and hold the button, Vocci, can you draft up a follow-up email for all the attendees? Let go, and again, it sends it to Vocci AI. And as you can see, it's drafted the whole email for me. So it says to Sarah, and it's CC'd in the other people that weren't actually part of the meeting, but they were mentioned. So it's great that they've mentioned that. It's given me the whole email. And then at the bottom, you've got the option to just copy and paste that, or you can draft it directly into Gmail if you link the accounts.
Now, after a meeting or discussion, the app can actually separate who said what. It can transcribe the conversation, summarize the important points, and even generate an actionable to-do list automatically. And that's where the AI side becomes really useful, because this isn't just turning speech into text, it's actually organizing the information into something useful and decision ready. Now you can preview the summaries, search previous conversations, you can ask follow-up questions, and even use cross-file context continually so conversations remain connected across multiple sessions instead of existing as isolated separate recordings. So for example, if you discussed a project last week and continue it again later at a new meeting, the AI can connect those conversations together instead of treating them like completely separate notes. And this is the whole point where it starts feeling a lot less like a recorder and more like a second brain. Now, battery life is also solid considering its small size. You get up to 8 hours of continuous recording directly from the ring itself, and then the charging case gives you an additional 3 full charges. Now, when it does run out, charging is fast and the ring can charge around 80% in just 30 minutes, so realistically you can top it up very quickly before heading out again. Now, the charging case itself also looks really premium and compact, so it feels much more like carrying a pair of wireless earbuds than a productivity gadget. Now, another important thing when it comes to voice recordings, especially in a business environment, is privacy and security. Everything on here is end-to-end encrypted and GDPR compliant, and this matters a lot when you're dealing with conversations, meetings, or potentially sensitive information. Now, because there's no screen or phone involved during the conversation itself, it actually feels much more natural and less intrusive compared to constantly typing or staring at a device. And honestly, after using it, I think the biggest advantage is that it removes the delays and friction. Now, normally while note-taking, there's always something interrupting the moment. You're either pulling out a phone, opening apps, typing notes, stopping eye contact, or trying to remember things later on. Whereas with this, it's literally just a subtle double click on your finger and the AI handles the rest, although it's important that you do make people aware that you are recording them. Now, of course, because it's built into something as small as a ring on your finger, it doesn't feel like carrying another gadget around either. Overall, I think the Vocci is one of the more interesting AI productivity devices I've used recently because it focuses on something simple and actually solves a real problem. It helps you stay focused on conversations while still capturing everything important in the background. The AI gives you summaries, speaker identification, and actionable task extractions. This makes it far more useful than a standard voice recording. Now, of course, for those of you that want to check it out, I placed a link to the Vocci down in the description below, so you can go ahead and grab yours now. And hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.